Good afternoon, friends. This is Hitesh from Anup Kelkar's Python Academy. So today is 24th Feb. Okay. So today we will take the problem statement from LeetCode, which is based on SQL. Okay. So let's go through the what is the problem statement. Okay. So basically, a table name score is given to you, where the score table have two columns: ID with the data type integer, that is int, score which stores the value in a form of decimal. So id is basically a primary key. Okay, so what is primary key? Basically it allows only unique value. Okay, each row in this table contains score of the game. Okay, second uh, column is a score, which storing the score of game, value of the score of game, which is in float type, therefore we will given as a decimal. Okay, so basically we have to write the solution to find the score of a game. Okay, and the ranking should be calculated according to following rules. Okay, so what are the rules? The score should be ranked from highest to lowest, that means descending order. So basically always we will given the first score to those who have scored more. Okay, we will give to the second who has scored less than the first one. Okay, so ranking is given according to the highest to lowest score. Basically score should be arranged in descending order. According to that we will give the ranking. Okay, if there is a tie between the two score, so we have to assign the same score or two same score as a same ranking. Okay, so someone has got 50 points, another also got the 50, another candidate also got the 50 point, for example. So those two candidates with the same score, we have to assign them as the same rank. Okay, so if after the tie the next ranking should be next consecutive integer value. In other words, there should be no holes between the rank. That means if suppose a second rank is given to the those candidates those who have scored 50, and in the team in the game two players are there who have scored 50, so that the player rank should be given to those player as a 2, both the players, and the for example another player has scored 48, so that player will give as a third rank. Okay, basically in Olympic this is not going to us. So in Olympic or any another international game, so it will leave the third rank, and the fourth rank is given to those the third rank, third scored most, third most scored player. Okay, so basically we have to don't do like this here, and we have to return the result table ordered by score in descending order. Okay, so format of result is given to you. So this input is given to you where the successive IDs are given, and each ID has their successive scores are given to you. So from here, according to that, we are assigning, we are getting, if we are overlook the table, so we are getting the idea. ID 3 and ID 5 has a maximum score, that is 4, and both the IDs had same score, therefore we will give the first rank to ID 3 and 5. Second rank is assigned to okay, another two IDs are there, they have scored the second most maximum score, that is 3.65. so 3 the player those who have scored 3.65 score, that how many players maybe it may be vary, so that player will got the second rank. Okay, after that, sorry, 3.85 fourth ID is given the second rank, so third rank will assign to the ID number 2 and 6, because they are their score is 3.65, both are the same, and the fourth score is given to you the first ID, because this is the lowest score of this score table, that is 3.50. Okay, so likewise we have to show the we have to write the query according to that, and likewise this output is given to you. Okay, so we will try to write. So basically in this type of query we will use one of the window function, that is dense rank. So if you have any idea about the dense rank, so basically dense rank is applied only on those columns where we have to assign some rank. So here we have to assign rank on score. So we will assign the dense rank function on score by using over keyword. So let's see, basically Windows function is one of the most important topic in SQL. Okay, so Windows function is assign the rank to the score in descending order. So let's proceed to query. Okay, so what we will want, so we will want score, select score, comma. So we have to apply ranking based on score. So for that we will write here dense rank. This is a window function. Okay, so basically we have to apply the dense rank function on which column, that is the score. So for that we will use by using over keyword. Within the parenthesis we have to pass the column name. So what is the name of column here? So score, and we have to assign the rank in descending order. Okay, so in descending order the maximum score is given to you, that is 4, and we have to assign the maximum score as a rank 1. So for that we have to write here order by clause. So we will apply order by clause on score function. Okay, order by clause, but we have to sort. By default if we applying the order by clause on score, so it will sort the score in ascending order, that is lowest to maximum, but we want to assign the rank in maximum to lowest. So for that we have to pass the order of the column, that is descending, and descending order is always represented by DESC. Okay, so it will sort the score value of the score column in descending order, that is maximum to lowest. Okay, now we will give value of this column as a rank. Okay, so we will keep the name of column within the quotes as a rank from table name. So what is the table name here? So we will write here, maybe let's see what is the table name. Yeah, table name is score. Table name is score. Okay, and now we want to print the score value in descending order. So for that we will write here order by clause in score, order by clause score in descending order. So it will print the value of score in descending order, likewise 4, 3.85, 3.65, 3.50, that is 50. So we have to write here descending. So after the end of the query we have to put semicolon. So we had completed our query. Let's see whether it will run properly or not. So basically order by clause is the function which is used to sort the ranking based on the certain column. Okay, and with the help of dense rank is one of the most important window function which is used to assign the rank based on the score in descending order while applying the order by clause on score with the help of descending keyword. So what it will do, it will sort the score value in descending, that is highest to lowest. So we will get the expected one because our query is going to accepted. So we will see, wait for a moment. Yeah, we will try to match here. Yeah, so we had written correct here. Okay, so we will getting the expected output. Okay, so we will try to submit here. Let's see whether it will submit it properly or not. Yeah, it will submit it. Okay, so basically in this query you have to keep remember window function, that is dense rank. With the help of over keyword, according to on which column we have to apply dense rank function, that column should be specified. And In descending order, for that we will use order by clause. After the order by clause, followed by the column name and followed by the descending order, because they are saying you have to sort the score in descending order, that is highest to lowest. Okay, so here see, same score has given the same rank. Okay, we had also followed that rules also. So same, whatever id is there, there are the two candidates, their score is same, that is 4 4. There this, so we had assigned the same rank. Another candidate is here 3.65 3.65, this is the another same score, so we had assigned the same rank, that is 3. Okay, and after that the following by the no score no rank holes is there. Okay, though no holes between the rank, so we had followed those criteria. So likewise we had submitted our query, it will accepted carefully. So if you have any doubt regarding this query, so please comment us. And before moving towards this query, so I will request you first go through the Windows function. What is Windows function? So that will give you clear idea and it will benefit it for you for the future interview. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this query, please comment us and keep practicing. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.